Welcome to Channel MVP Auto Review. Welcome to another deep dive into the future of premium driving. Today, we're unlocking the opulence, innovation, and bold statement of style that is the 2026 American luxury movement. It's not about old-school chrome and overstuffed leather anymore. It's a new era, where cutting-edge technology, sustainable performance, and unmistakable identity fuse into a truly American renaissance on wheels. 2026 is the year American luxury refuses to be outshined. The brands that once defined opulence in the mid-century now return with purpose, passion, and a plan. We're talking about a complete rebirth. Cadillac, Lincoln, and even newcomers like Lucid and Rivian are reshaping what it means to roll in style on US soil. Let's start with Cadillac, because they're not pulling punches. The 2026 Celestiq continues to headline GM's vision for ultra-luxury. Every unit is handcrafted, every inch customizable, and it's all electric. We're talking about a $300,000 EV that feels more like a private jet on wheels than a car. But Cadillac isn't stopping there. The Escalade IQ drops jaws with its massive road presence, zero-emissions drive, and a cabin that might as well be a five-star lounge. OLED displays wrap the dash, Super Cruise handles the highway, and the Whisper Quiet Ride proves that silence really is golden. Lincoln, too, is embracing a new identity. The 2026 Lincoln Star crossover leads the charge, not just with futuristic styling but with sanctuary-level interiors. Think glass roofs that tint on command, ambient lighting that matches your mood, and a scent diffuser that turns every commute into a spa session. This isn't just luxury, this is well-being on wheels. Lincoln has leaned hard into the idea that luxury should relax you, not just impress your neighbors. Then there's Lucid Motors, who aren't just competing, they're aiming to lead. The 2026 Lucid Air Sapphire is a blisteringly fast, 1,200 horsepower electric super sedan that blends elegance with raw American engineering. 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, with a cabin that feels more like a tech startup's VIP lounge. Every button is digital, every material is premium, and it's all backed by an obsession with range and performance that Tesla once claimed as its own. Speaking of Tesla, the Model S and X may still play in this league, but in 2026, they're now the old guard. The spotlight has shifted to fresh thinking, like the Rivian R1S Executive Edition. Rugged, smart, and unmistakably upscale, this full-size SUV proves you don't need to sacrifice adventure for luxury. Walnut trim, stadium seating, and an interior so silent you can hear your own heartbeat. Plus, it's built to go off-road without spilling your espresso. It's luxury for the mountain road, not just the valet line. Of course, American luxury in 2026 isn't only about high prices and posh materials. It's about tech. Advanced driver assist systems have gone mainstream. Now, top-end models are offering level-3 autonomy. Your car can change lanes, pass traffic, and even park itself while you check emails from the plush comfort of ventilated massage seats. Augmented reality head-up displays, biometric security systems, and AI-powered personal assistants are the new gold trim. Luxury isn't what you see, it's what the car does for you. Sustainability also takes center stage. Recycled aluminum, vegan leathers, and plant-based composites are no longer compromises, they're statements of values. Brands now brag about how green their luxury can be. The guilt of gas guzzling has been replaced with pride in power that's clean, quiet, and quick. Even charging has become part of the experience, with luxury EVs offering lightning-fast top-ups at exclusive lounges equipped with coffee bars and concierge service. There's also a boldness in the design language. Forget conservative curves. American luxury is now sharp, daring, and aggressive. Vertical lighting elements, oversized grills, even in EVs, and bold two-tone finishes scream presence. These cars aren't just about getting noticed, they demand it. At the heart of it all is the return of swagger. American luxury in 2026 is no longer playing catch-up to Europe. It's carving its own lane, one handcrafted, tech-packed, and proudly homegrown model at a time. Whether it's the spaceship vibes of the Celestiq, the minimalist calm of the Lucid Air, or the rugged elegance of the Rivian R1S, the message is clear. This isn't your grandfather's luxury car. This is the future, and it's made in America. Thanks for riding with MVP Auto Review.